Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting verifiable evidence. Apple needs proof to help. Have the device serial, original receipt, and the Apple ID email visible. Once done, take clear photos of a government ID and the receipt. Make sure dates match. Also note linked phone numbers and the device model because Apple's verification asks for specific details. Doing this upfront speeds support and keeps the process legitimate, so don't skip any documentation before you proceed to account recovery or contacting Apple support. Next, attempt the official Apple ID recovery path at Apple's recovery page. Enter the Apple ID and follow prompts. If you have a trusted device or recovery contact, retrieve codes and complete verification. If you cannot access those, request account recovery. This is a timed process designed to protect accounts. Make sure you provide the serial and receipt if asked. It shortens verification. Keep monitoring your email and phone for updates, and don't try third-party bypass tools because they can void warranties and breach terms. Finally, contact Apple support directly with your documentation and case details. You can call, use chat, or visit a Genius Bar appointment. Explain you need account assistance and present the serial, receipt, and ID. Apple can perform a supervised device reset or help recover ownership when verified. If initial support can't resolve it, ask to escalate and record the case ID. If anything goes wrong, reference the case ID and resubmit missing documents rather than using unofficial workarounds that risk security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.